Okay, we will put your teeth dun sa yellow, then we will do it. Okay? Maybe the doctor will comment on it. What do you think? Very good, kasi pinakita niya sa akin yung teeth. Which one you like? Which one? That one? Where will I put? Where? Here. Very good. Good job. High five sa kangit siya. Mabilis lang ito. Mabilis lang. Mabilis lang.
Nagabay kasi ka.
And up. Very good. Close lang, close lang. Ilalagay na kay bibig.
Would you put it sa ano? Saan mo lalagay? Where will you put it? Where will you put it?
Below, under the pillow.
And then, what will you get after that?
Money! Good job! Let's go, I have a reward for you. Balloon or
Mas yung mga kasi sobrang payak. Payak? Ano kasi? Yung gamit namin dito kasi.
You want this one? You like this one? Okay.
Hindi ko, kaya ko.
Okay.